Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning classes. Children, we are dealing with first lesson. The topics covered in previous class are we learned about map, cartographers, maps made by Sumerians, maps made by Babylonians, maps made by Hethitans. Now, in this class, we will know about maps made by Ptolemy, Idrisi maps, world map according to the Chinese, world map according to the Bible. Children, first topic. Map made by Ptolemy. You can see here the map which is made by Ptolemy. Ptolemy is a Greek scholar. He made the map with the help of latitudes and longitudes. He gave an accurate world map. Okay, children? He prepared accurate world map using latitudes and longitudes. World map prepared by Ptolemy and the Greek geographers gave clear information about Europe and other neighboring countries. They gave clear information about the Europe and other neighboring countries. They prepared the map with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Before Babylonians, Sumerians, they didn't prepare the map accurately with the help of latitudes and longitudes, but Ptolemy did it. They also placed Greek or Roman in the central position of the map. They expressed Greek or Roman in the central of the map. Next, maps made by Idrisis. Al-Idrisi is the name of a famous Arab map maker who prepared a map for his kings in 1154. See, here is the map made by Idrisi. These people made the map for their kings. On his map, the legends were written in Arabic. In here, the language used is Arabic language. His map showed the Europe continent completely with some part of the African continent. Okay, children, these people prepared map for sake of their kings and they showed Europe continent completely with some part of the African continent. Next, world map according to the Chinese. These Chinese people also made the map and how the map made by them we'll see now. Here is the map, children. You can see this one. Just like Al-Idrisi, the Chinese geographers also started preparing maps for their emperors. These people also prepared the maps for sake of their emperors. In the Chinese map, China is placed at the center. These people placed their own country, the China, in the center. Europe with a compressed edge and halfway around the globe, and mapping of Africa was done with respect to the Indian Ocean. How they made, children? The Chinese showed their China in the middle. Okay, and they prepared this map for sake of the emperors. Next, world map according to the Bible. Here you can see the map which is prepared according to the Bible. The first world map, which was made according to the Bible, divides the land into 3 continents. The map made according to Bible divided the world into 3 continents. That is, namely, Asia, Europe, and Africa. They showed these 3 continents in their map. Okay. These 3 continents which are surrounded by oceans, and these continents surrounded by ocean, they showed oceans also in their map. Asia was placed at the top as it is considered the largest and the most important continent among these because it has Jerusalem, the birthplace of Jesus Christ. They showed these people gave very important to Asia continent. They showed this in the top place and biggest continent because it consists of Jerusalem, which is a birthplace of Jesus. Moreover, Europe and Africa were shown in a smaller size at the bottom. You understood, children? The world map, according to Bible, shows that Asia is the biggest continent and it is shown in the top. Okay, children? Till now, we learned that maps made by Ptolemy, Idrisi, and maps according to Bible. In the previous class, we learned the maps made by Sumerians, Babylonians, and Hecatus. This is the class about maps made by different people. Okay, I think you understood. Children, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.